firstly, we'll separate 10 egg whites from the egg yolk. And then, we will preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And then, using a stand mixer fitted with whisk attachment, we'll whisk the 10 egg whites on medium speed until foamy. We will then add half teaspoon cream of tartar and continue whisking until soft peaks form. After that, gradually and slowly in small quantities at a time, we will add 3/4 cup sugar, and whisk until you reach stiff peaks. Once the meringue is ready, or thick, shiny, and increased in volume, we will transfer it to a piping bag, fitted with a large star tip. You can also use a large Ziploc bag with one of the corners cut off. Using a circular upward motion, we will pipe the meringues into the cups or ramekins. Remember to leave a slight gap in the middle where you can fill the custard later, overflowing by about half an inch on top. Repeat the piping with other remaining cups. We'll put this in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops turn light brown. So while our meringue is baking, we will make our custard filling. In a medium saucepan, don't turn on the stove yet, we will beat the 10 egg yolks. And then we will add 300 ml condensed milk. We will mix them thoroughly, then start cooking over low heat. While stirring often so we don't end up with scrambled eggs. When you see the mixture is starting to take shape and form into clumps, we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. As we reach custard consistency, we'll remove the pan from the heat and we'll set it aside until it's warm enough to pipe into the custard cupcake. It's time for taste test. Yummy. This is just so good. There you go, our Brazo de Mercedes cupcake. Thank you for watching.